What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on net gas, gold, silver, and crude oil. And I'm also going to go through dollar index as we're going to take an overlook on gold as well. That also affects on gold and other market if you're looking at dollar index. So starting with natural gas, what do we have right here? And as you can see, if you remember in my last video, I've clearly said that the price is now pushing lower through this anchor level and keep on making the new lower lows from these anchor level. Now, let me show you what I said in my last video so that you can understand conditions and entries. Price is forming a little anchors when it's pushing lower, which is right here, and then we have a little anchor right here, and then we can get a possible little anchor right here, and then once we are broken below this low, we can get a possible push up with a bearish condition, something like this, and keep on taking short till we are in the zone below in green. Nice one. So as you can see, we have a price broken below this anchor level as mentioned in my yesterday's video. Now, looking at the price action making new lower lows, it is a likely chance that price will repeat the same move with a pullback and then a rejection from this anchor level and keep on making new lows till we are in the zone below, which is our counter trading bullish zone. And remember, this is the zone from where we can expect possibly reversal or very good bounce, and I'll be managing my trade once we get to this zone and price forms condition like bullish engulfers or double bottom entry pattern, hammer candles, 3 year 2 candles, all my entry reason to enter my bullish trade. So these are the conditions now I'll be looking at to take my next sell trade. Now let this candle closed first, because there are times when the price breaks below and then pushes back up and then only left with the wick. That is what I don't want to see. Let this candle closed with the full body, and then we can start to look for the pullback and a possible rejection with the bearish engulfer, which is my sell signal, and I will keep on taking shots till we are in the zone I've just mentioned. Now if you are new, if you have just joined money markers, the zone here on Owanda, it is 1.959 that goes to 2.059 from where we're going to enter our buy trades. I'm going to go for Nemex and Capital.com in a moment. Now, you don't need to get alarmed if the price breaks above this anchor level as long as we are below 50 EMA and price forms a bearish engulfers after a pullback. In that case, we are still good to go short till we are in the zone below. And once we have a conditions, only then we're going to enter the trade. If there is no condition, remember, we are not going to enter the trade because the price can also form a possible head and shoulder pattern without hitting this area of value. That is why bearish engulfer is a signal that price action is telling us that I'm likely going to push lower. That is why look for the condition, don't trade blindly. And also overtake profit 2 has been hit. The trade alert sent to the members right here. If you have used a bigger target, your profits has been hit. Right here, 1 and 2 both has been hit. Here on Capital.com, we have a price now broken below the anchor level. In case you are wondering, it is 2.036 that goes to 2.057. Now it is not an area of value, it is just an anchor level that we can get a possible pullback to, and then price will continue to push lower. Now here on Capital.com, major level is quite lower, which is at 1.545 that goes to 1.676. Now if the price gets to my level on Owanda, I will still look for my buy trades. Doesn't matter if the price did not hit the zone, but if the price hit my zone here on Owanda, which is not too far, it is a level of significance. If you look here, a price massively pushed up from this levels previously and reversed from here previously. That is why it is a level from where we can expect a possible reversal. But if there is no condition, we can also look for a condition here on Capital.com, but have these zones on your charts in case of dramatic push down, you know from where you can enter your next buy trade. For now, the price retests the level above and then falls, which is our aggressive entry, which I've also mentioned in my report sent to the members. For now, this anchor level is broken, or we can expect a pullback. I would like to see one more red candle and then a pullback followed by bearish engulfer, a possible rejection from 20 EMA or 50 EMA. As long as we get a signal below 50 EMA followed by bearish engulfer, we are good to go long and keep on taking longs till we get a condition to take our buy trades. Now the next buy trade will be either from here, from the area of value here on Owanda or Capital.com, or either from above 50 EMA. If you have a dramatic push up from above 50 EMA, in that case we have a change in trend. For now, only looking for sell trades with conditions only. Here on Nemex, we are not broken below yet. This zone is still intact, but if we have a push up to 50 EMA with a bearish engulfer, I'm going to go short again. And from this area of value, we can get a possible push up, a bounce till 50 EMA. If broken above 50 EMA, only then price will likely head higher to the next level of trend continuation zone. Bearish 2.441 that goes to 2.555, from where we can get a possible rejection and a push back down. So these are conditions now I'll be looking at on these platforms. Once we have a condition, we are good to go for our trades. Right here on gold, we have an anchor levels above and below where price action can likely push up and down. But once the price broke below this low, in that case the price will likely head to the next major level of support, 1972, that goes up to 1987.06, from where we will enter our counter buy trade with bullish engulfers or double bottom entry pattern. If broken above this high, in that case we have a zone above which is 2070.68 that goes up to 2076.59, from where we will enter our sell counter trade with bearish engulfers, double top entry pattern, inverted hammers. 382 candle bearish is all my entry reason. So for now we can get a possible range sideways till we are broken above or below, exactly the same as last few weeks. We did not get much movement out of gold once we get a condition, and we have a likely chance that if the price push to this anchor level we can get a possible bounce. If the price push up to this anchor level we can get a possible pullback. That is what we can expect till we are completely close above the high or low for the trend confirmation above or below. So look for the conditions. Once we have that, we are good to go for our trades. Here on silver, we are in the termination zone bullish at this point. We can get a possible push up, that is likely, but we do not have any buy condition yet. But once we have a buy condition, only then we're going to enter our trade. The buy condition will be a nice bullish engulfing pattern. Once we have that, we have a signal that price will likely bounce till 1 ATR. So not taking any trades till as now we have no signal. If the price pushes lower, forms a double bottom which is 21.92 that goes to 21.99, from where we can expect another push up, and we'll see if the price break above 50 or 20 EMA for the next buy trade. So these are conditions now I'll be looking at. For silver is still intact with the head and shoulder pattern, and once we have a signal we have a likely chance of a bounce up. Then we have DXY. As you can see, the price now hit the level of major resistance, and this was a zone I've already sent to my members that we can get a possible push down out of. Now at this point we have a likely chance that price will push down, and that will also affect on gold and silver. If you're looking at dollar index, if we have a chance that dollar index will get weaker from here and gold will possibly push higher. But again, I will look for the conditions. Once we have a conditions, only then we're going to enter our trades on gold or other market if you are trading that. But this is a zone right here, 104.20, that goes to 104.65 that the price is currently inside of, and we can now get a possible push down at least till 50 EMA. If broken below, then we can possible reverse to the downside. So last one, we have crude oil is now in a process of a pullback, and we have a likely chance that the price will form a bearish engulfer right here. If not, then we can get a few more green candles and then a possible rejection at 50 EMA looking at the downtrend. Once we have that, we are good to go short till when? Till we are in the area of value which is right here, 67.28 that goes up to 68.85, from where I'll be entering my counter buy trades with bullish engulfers, double bottoms, hammer candles, 382 candle bullish. So have the green zones on your charts. Once the price gets to my level, only then we're going to enter our buy trades. For now, just look for the pullback entry bearish till we are in this zone below in green. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If yes, hit a like button for me. Subscribe if you're new so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green the rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.